Rico y Blanca. Everybody ready? Ta-da! Woohoo!
Kudos, Barbie. Truly fabulous-some.
I don't know. I think my outfit is pretty gorge.
Raquelle, did you mean gorgelicious or gorge-tastic?
No, Barbie. I meant gorge.
Are you learning a foreign language?
It's short for gorgeous.
Oh, now I get it.
Well, that's just horrible.
Just saying, gorgeous would have been simpler.
You know what? I'm gonna find a more gorge group of frenemies.
Give it up, Raquelle. Gorge is not happening.
Raquelle! Wait! They think they're so fabulous-some. I'll show them. You know what? Barbie must be worried. She's learned her lesson.
Hey there.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Clarissa.
I'm Barbie.
Are you new here?
You're so pretty. I could never be like you.
What?
You're
Love
fabulous.
your shoes and hair.
And I'm not.
Totally gorge.
Did you say gorge?
Of course. It's the perfect word to describe both grace and beauty.
I like this place.
You should totes open up your own boutique.
I should?
Your fashion sense is gorge.
It is? I'm in heaven!
So gorge.
Am I the only one thinking that the gorge thing is getting a little old?
Welcome to House of Raquelle.
It's House of Raquelle! Roll those R's!
So, what do you think?
I think I need to replace our greeter. But other than that, it's everything I've ever wanted! So why aren't I satisfied? What's the fun in life if I can't compete with Barbie, trade insults with Nikki, and scheme and plot the way I was born to do? Ah! I made a mistake! Ah!
Wait! Come back!
Aww.
Yay! I want to live!
There you are. We've been looking all over Malibu for you.
Barbie! I'm so glad to see you!
Did you switch personalities with someone?
I hope it wasn't with me.
Ooh, we discovered a brand new cafe and couldn't think of going without you. It's totally gorge.